Hi, my name is David Eidelbach, and I'm here today with the Acer Iconia W700. This tablet is designed to essentially be your only PC, and it's got a price tag to match, $999. The question is it worth it? So as you can see, it's got a pretty attractive design. It's got a nice half-an-inch thick bezel that frames the screen and a solid aluminum chassis. On the back here, you have a 5-megapixel camera. And on the front, you have a 1.3 megapixel camera. We found the cameras actually to be somewhat disappointing. The pictures were very grainy and washed out. But overall, this thing boasts a really excellent design. Aside from the fact that it is quite thick and heavy, it's understandable given that they're fitting in a full USB 3.0 port here, and that this thing has a 128 gigabyte solid-state drive and a Core i5 processor. It's essentially a full computer in this one slim package. But that being said, I mean, this thing weighs 2 pounds, whereas the iPad is only 1.44 pounds. That being said, the Microsoft Surface with Windows 8 Pro is actually also the same size or same weight and is slightly thicker. So for this package where you're getting a tablet that's essentially running as a full computer, this is about the standard size. As you can see, it's got a really gorgeous, lush display in full HD 1920 by 1080p resolution. One of the neatest features we found is that, well, first I should say, as you can see, this thing is running Windows 8, a full version of Windows 8 with both UIs, both the desktop and the modern UI. The icons, because of the resolution, are fairly small, and so we found that trying to use them with our fingers proved to be a bit of a pain. But thankfully, Acer includes a really helpful utility called Acer Ring, which by pressing on the screen with all 5 fingers, it brings up this ring interface. And from here you can open photos, documents, your favorite apps, etc. And so you swipe to the side, you can expand the photo list or collapse it back in. This makes navigating Windows 8 much easier, and we really wish that other manufacturers would follow Acer's lead with this. In terms of performance, this thing actually flew on our benchmarks in terms of overall performance. It didn't quite match some of the Ultrabooks that we've tested, but compared to tablet performance, this thing absolutely flies. Unfortunately, graphics performance was much more sluggish. So needless to say, you're not going to be playing games on this thing, but given that it's a touchscreen, that should come as no surprise. So for $999, we were sort of expected and were very pleasantly surprised to find that they actually bundle the tablet with both a dock and a Bluetooth keyboard. The dock is really easy to use. It's got a removable back stand here that can be positioned either horizontally or vertically so that you can use the tablet in the dock in either landscape or portrait mode. And you just slide the tablet in and it connects on the left. The tablet expands the ports with 3 full-size USB 3.0 ports and the DC in connector here. The Bluetooth keyboard is really fast to set up. You just plug in 3 AAA batteries, flip the switch to on, and it automatically connects. The tactile feedback is excellent. We had, when we were typing on it, we achieved almost our standard rate of typing, despite the fact that it's slightly smaller. Overall, it's a good product for what it does, but we're not sure that it's worth the $999 price tag. You might be better off spending half as much and getting an iPad, or for that price, if you want a full Windows 8 experience, you might want to get a convertible like the Lenovo IdeaPad Yoga.